All right. Um, I hope now it's better. Okay, let's check a little bit if you can hear me, and if guys you can see without any lag. Let me know. Now it's fine. Okay, okay, okay. Thank you, Linux Mobile. I'm not sure what went wrong this time, and I hope it's not the music I just had for the stream. I'm just looking if there is a copyright on YouTube right now, but for some reason YouTube stopped the stream by its own. So I'm not sure what went wrong. But I see some technical things now. Let me take again. All right. Now I can proceed in peace. Yeah, 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 yeah. So you are hear me good now, right? You don't hear me twice or with echo, because I was trying to separate the channel from the Streamlabs to include the music. And yeah, probably music was a bad idea to add in the in the stream, but I was informed that I can play specific playlists, and those playlists they called stream music from Spotify. So I was playing that music, so I don't think it's a copyright issue, right? I'm not sure actually, but yeah, okay. Um, Now you can't hear the music because I stopped it. For some reason, I thought maybe it's a copyright thing about the music, but my playlist is still playing Stream Beats music. So, and I have created a big list for that, just to make sure that it's not gonna play something from the Spotify. um, yeah. Let me check if YouTube also it's okay. Yeah, I see it. Okay, let me check the studio. Sorry about it, Linux Mobile, but I would like to make sure that I have the everything okay before continue. Yeah, I'm checking the copyrights on YouTube and it said it's okay. There was no warning about copyrights about the music. And again, why is it telling this one? Okay. At least it wasn't the music. But why it stopped? That's weird. No copyrights. Okay, it looks cool also on YouTube. Cool. Okay. I will stop looking for the mistake, but unfortunately, we the video was split now. Cool. All right. Okay, I'm gonna continue doing the box without music now, but at least, you know what? I will leave the music on. It wasn't a music issue, so. Alright. Sorry for that, guys, but yeah, that was unexpected. Okay, we were about the task number 5. What is the name of the other existing user on GitLab? Okay, so there are more users. As far as we can tell from this, I don't know how else we can look about other things. We have only one project. Can we see any contributor, any other contributor for that? We will check. Members, only one member. So maybe we need to do more stuff to see the GitLab other users, or at least from the settings. Integrations. No integrations. No webhooks. No access token. The repository maybe has Okay, we found something. Yeah, I was expecting something like that, to be honest. If we can invite users or members, we can just click on the search field and the autocomplete will give us any other members to that GitLab. So that's one way to do it. So here we see the AK admin. So that's another user, and this one probably has the ID 1 according by the name, for example. So this way you can find another user by inviting the members. Maybe there is another way. The other login you had, wait, what other login I had? Only Satoru I had. What? Oh. And SSH connection with that username and password. Yeah. We will go there. Don't worry. We go through the from the task. We follow the task right now, and we discover things according to the task. So no worries. Yeah, and the task asks us for the name for the other name if of the existing user of the GitLab. So that's why I'm going right now like this. And I figured out to find another members by inviting members. So when you inviting members, so if you click in the plus button, you have the ability to invite team members. And if you click on the search, it auto completes with the users that they are in the members that are in this GitLab. So we found the other user without exploitation, but just to enumerate the repository. So it's AK admin, the other user. So that's the other user that the task asks us. And it is correct. So cool. That was awesome. And again, you probably you know other ways to find it. One quick way that I already remember that that's the case. That's why I was looking for the invite members. So yeah, that's one way to do it. If you know any other ways, please comment down and or use the chat to let us know. It's good to have multiple ways, or maybe after we have the initial full code in the server, probably then we can figure out differently. For example, to check the database or yes, things like that. But since we are not in there and we do it all the investigation from the outside, an easy way to find other users is to invite them. And when you click in the list here, it gives you all the members that you have that you can invite. That's cool way to do it. So, and yeah, Linux Mobile, yeah, I decided to go with a task today just to have a more structured approach. But yeah, let's see how it goes. Okay, what service can be used to authenticate to GitLab through single sign-on with a SSO? What service can be used? Okay. I think we can do that from or integrations. Integrations, no, it's not for the SSH, it's for the CI. To connect some apps, for example, there. Alright. Maybe webhooks. No webhooks again, we saw that before. So what service can be used to authenticate to guild? With a single sign-on. Okay, that means I if we can find it here from the settings, if it's enabled or something. I think we can log out if that is what intended to be. Maybe some preferences. No. Authentication log. Sign with standard authentication. Sign with some authentication. Okay, that's another one. But it says about service. And according to the asterisk, it's a big word, so it's not the SAML authentication. Repository. No SSH keys, no GPT keys. Email. The VL again. Domain. Okay. Anonymous also. Ah. So wait. I will check also the anonymous account. Single sign-on active. Connected accounts. Okay, it doesn't do something if we click. What service? Select the service to sign in. We can't. It's active or it's not active now. That's it is active. So I cannot select or do something more. And first I thought, okay, let me log out. Single sign on. It's a SAML request. That's what it says. And that's binding redirect. Okay. The authentic. That's the other service. Probably that's the one. And wait a minute, because barrier 9. Okay, welcome to authentic. Okay, it's authentic, but I was looking. Okay, and the 9443. Oh, it's not. It's an HTTPS. Okay, login to continue to GitLab. The SSL port says login to continue to GitLab, but the 9000 port, which is not the SSL one, without this one, it's not an HTTPS, sorry. It says welcome to authentic and enter the email address. Okay. And if you log out and try to log in again with the SSO, I haven't put this domain, the VL domain, to my host, so that's why I'm getting an error. So if I change it to the one I have added, HTB, it redirects back to authentic with the SSL and the correct port and say login to continue to GitLab. So the other save is called authentic. And it is correct. So, alright. That was good one. What is the tag of the pause CI/CD runner? You see, guys, following the guided mode, it gives you more ability to search, right? All these so far, they are not information besides the password. They are not that information that we could find during the city playing it as adventure mode to get in, right? To get the initial foothold. So that's why I prefer. I like to play with a guided mode because they trick you. They give you the ability to search more by yourself and do extend and thorough investigations instead of just aiming for just to get in, right? So yeah. Probably we will see how much task we can complete. The flag starts in a task 10, so we will see how it goes, when we should get in. But okay, let's what is the tag of the pause CI/CD runner? Let's go back. Oh, maybe this works as well here for the authentic. Let me also check this one. So the username and the password also works for the authentic. So username it's Satoru. What happened? Still loading. And the password. Okay, redirect to GitLab. You are about to signing to Git, continue. Okay, maybe I should put this in my hosts. So okay, now it works. Cool. All right, let's find the CI runner. Deploy. Or operate. Monitor. Analyze. CI. Analytics. So where to find the CI/CD runner? I was hoping to be in the jobs. Deploy. Runners. Contact and please contact an admin to create a runner. So that means that we need to log in as aka admin to see the runners. Okay, we see the API, get runners. Runners all. So the idea is to find an existing not this one. To find an API here for the GitLab, copy to the repeater, and then add the new endpoint, which is runner all, right? Not found. It's still the wrong one.